Good morning for a very sweet day. So, as told in the first video, that is the intro video of quickies and tips on cooking, which we learned from elders. This particular tip of powdering elaichi was taught to me by my mother-in-law, Mrs. Nalini Ramanathan. My gratitude to her. And so elaichi, if you the market we get, especially in the GCC markets, we get branded elaichis, not only in GCC, in US markets too. So select fine quality elaichis. Everybody's view differs, but according to me, I never compromise in quality. Even if it is lesser amount, it should be of the top quality. So because if you put a large amount of elaichi which is of the low quality, your sweet is not going to smell that awesome. So instead, you just buy fine quality elaichis and powder it and just add a pinch of it. It will add to the flavor in a greater measure. So now coming back, we get so many types of elaichis in the market. Cardamom, I mean. So please choose that which is of in the brown and the green one. The green color should be in the upper category. That is called a fine quality elaichi. So please buy that, and if you want, you can keep it in the dry place. That is unpacked. Just cut the cover and loosen it and just spread in a plate and keep it dry for an hour or so. Or if you don't want that to be so, just take the elaichis and you please take a microwave bowl or a microwave dappa which has a thicker base. If you are going to use the plastic, it should have a thick fine base to hold the heat. So please spread the elaichis evenly. You should not dump them. If you are going to make a larger quantity, kindly spread it into partitions, and please do it through utter patience. Okay. So in the first video, I just wanted, if I introduce so many things, no, that will not be in the mind. So patience means first that which comes to my mind is my mother-in-law. Next is my co-sister Jayashree. Okay, she cooks very fine cakes and all other pastries. So this elaichi, we need to just tackle the microwave very tricky. So you place the elaichis in the microwave bowl or the Pyrex glass or whatever the thick base microwavable container and keep it inside the microwave, and first start with a minute. Okay. So once the microwave starts circling itself, you will after some time you will just see the elaichis popping up, one or two. So please stop the microwave, open it and see whether it has bolted. Okay, it has just become fatter than the original size. So once all the elaichis are in fried in golden brown color, remove them. Please wait for 5 minutes. If you wait more than 5 minutes, again that freshness will go, the heat will go, and you may not be able to go for a fine powder. So add these elaichis into the mixer grinder. Add 1 or 2 spoons depending upon the quantity. Just fine grind them. Okay, and then dump it in a thick, that is airtight container. Okay, so this you can make it in frequent transitions. Do not make that half kg, 1 kg together. Just fine ground them, roast and fine ground them like 50 grams, 100 grams for the fresh taste. So while appending it in the tea, you can do this way. Okay, so that which is of the low quality elaichis you can buy. The same process you can make. This is one way. Or for so much into the quality basis, you can please remove the outer coat out and only the seeds you can roast and powder, and also the outer thing you can add it in the tea. Usually what I do is, for the tea I use the other quality, or while adding for the tea you can add a low pinch of it. While adding for sweets you can go for a high pinch of it. Okay, have a great and sweetest day possible. So while adding the elaichis, there are different types of varieties of cooking. So elaichis, fine grounded elaichis, form a greater part in kesaris, that is what you say, and also in jamuns and all we add saffron, so there we add a pinch. And for Mysore Pak we don't add that much LIC because that will kill the taste. For Kaju Katli, only for the flavor, just a pinch of it, okay, because that kaju's taste will go. So sweets, South Indian sweets which form high quality like payasam, and you want gulab jamun, and then any varieties of cake, then kesari, okay, those areas, no, we those sweets we add more elaichi. And for the pulav and other things, we only cook the elaichi along with the rice, okay. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Stay tuned for more tips. Have a great day.